Hey there, what's up? Abhidvedi here again, and welcome to the second tutorial video for the Video App Monarchy plugin. Now, in this video, we're gonna be covering how to configure your plugin, and so you can start creating a locked video and bringing in a lot of wire traffic. So we're gonna begin with setting up the plugin. Then we're gonna go ahead create a Facebook app, and then I'm going to tell you how to configure it correctly so it works all the time. So let's quickly hop onto our demo blog that we installed. We left the last video at this point where we were like we had to set up our plugin. So you see this notification bar. You click on this setting page thing. It's a link. When you click on it, it takes you to a page where you can actually set up your plugin. You can find this page in settings, video app monarchy, and then we also have something called VAM analytics. I'm gonna come to that in a couple of other tutorial videos. So here's what you have to do. You have to create a Facebook app and save your Facebook application ID in this field and your Facebook application secret in this field. So let's quickly hop on and show you how to create an app. uh, Go to developers.facebook.com. If you haven't used it, you'll have to be logged in, and in some cases you might have to verify it with your phone number to create an app. I'm already logged in and verified, so I'm going to just click on apps, and I'm going to click on create a new app. So I'm going to name this app WAM slash tutorials, right? And then I'm gonna enter a namespace. So namespace is the name that appears in your Facebook developers.facebook.com's kind of a URL, right? Then I'm gonna namespace it tutorials, right? Let's see if it's valid. It's available. Okay, great. Uncheck this if it's already checked. Uncheck, leave it there, and click on continue. A captcha comes up. Let's quickly solve this. Okay, I hope this is correct. Oops. Okay, so your application has been created. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this app ID thing and go back to my blog and paste it here. Then I'm gonna copy this app secret and I'm gonna go back to my blog and paste it in application secret field. I'm gonna click on update option, and it's done. Your plugin has been configured on your blog. Now what you have to do is you have to copy this URL. You see this canvas URL thing, you have to copy this and click on website with Facebook logins. When you click here, you enter your website's URL. Now make sure you enter it just the way I'm doing. You enter www.abd.org slash, what was it, demo t, right? Demo t slash backslash. I'll leave it, right? Now click on apps on Facebook and paste this URL that you just copied. This URL, you paste it in canvas URL field and add a backslash. It always, your URL should always end with a backslash, right? You copy the same URL in secure canvas URL and put a backslash, and just make sure you type S here. So it should be https colon backslash backslash, and in canvas URL it should be http colon double backslashes. So it's that. Then we move on to add domain over here, and this is where we're gonna type just the domain, that is abd.org. Now mind it, my blog is installed on abd.org slash demo t folder, but in add domain I'm just going to enter my domain name. No http, no www, no slash demo t. It's just the domain name, that is all, right? And now I'm going to click on save changes, and my Facebook application is configured. correctly. All right. Now, if you want to edit the images that appears in the dialog box, just hover your mouse on this image and edit option shows up. Click on this, and you can actually enter a lot of details about your application so people know it's your application. You can go ahead and brand your application, change the language, add a tagline, add a description if you want to add, let's say, this is a WAM tutorial app demo purpose demo purposes. All right, so whenever someone tries to access the app, they'll see this little description under the name WAM dash tutorials, so they'll know what the app is all about. uh, you don't really need to enter detailed description or permission or publishers, and you can skip it if you want. But and then coming to privacy policy, or if you have a privacy policy URL, enter it. It's a good idea. TOS, if you want to leave the email as your Facebook email. Now coming to the icons. Now primary icons are the main thing, right? So when you click mouse over this thing, make sure you have two icons of 16 height and 16 width, 16 75 pixel height and 75 pixel width. So 16x16 and 75x75. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and install upload a dummy image I have of 16 by 16. Here it is, and click on open. The Facebook will automatically upload it, so you see the icon here coming up. Now let me quickly do this, uploading, and here it is. Now this is the icon that people see when they're inviting their friends, right? So this is the most important. It should be your company's branding, your company's logo, or whatever you want to add there. Scroll down, click on save changes. Done. Your application is 100% configured, good to go, good to use on the plugin, and everything is all set. Now we can go ahead and start creating videos with content, videos that are logged, and start generating via traffic. We'll continue in the next video where I'll be telling you how to post your first logged video and guide you through all the settings and features of the video app monarchy plugin. And see you on the next video, guys. Thank you.